Hello all, welcome to the unit number 5, probability distribution. Contents of this unit are: first is mathematical expectation, variance, standard deviation, moment and moment generating function, binomial distribution, Poisson distribution, normal distribution. Now first we are going to study what is mathematical expectation. So mathematical expectation means expected value. In probability, if we are talking about expected outcomes, so that is nothing but mathematical expectation. But in function form, in random variable form, how to express it, that we are going to study here. So my expectation of x, mathematical expectation is expectation of x is defined as, expectation is nothing but mean is equal to mu, it is denoted by mu, we have already studied in previous unit, it is equal to expectation of x. Now definition for this is whatever the term inside this bracket, that term multiplied by given probability function. So it is x multiplied by f of x. For discrete case we have summation, and for continuous case we have integration. So expectation of x is defined as x multiplied by f of x for discrete case and for continuous case. Now second formula is expectation of a function. Now instead of x, if we have x square, e to the power x, e to the power 2x, then at that time this become expectation of g of x. G of x may be any function, it may be exponential, trigonometric or x square polynomial function, then that function multiplied by given probability function. So this is called as expectation of x. Now if it is discrete case we use summation, and continuous case we use integration. So this is same for all the formula, discrete and continuous, summation and integration. But formula you have to remember in this way, that whatever the term in expectation bracket, that term multiplied by given probability function f of x, that gives you as expectation of any function. It may be x, it may be x square, it may be e to the power x, any function it defined in that way only, that is function multiplied by given probability function. Next is, if we have instead of one function, if we have joint function means two random variable we have, then expectation of x into y, again same definition, bracket contain x into y, so it is x into y multiplied by given probability function which is f of xy. So for discrete, here we have this function, probability function, in two random variable, that's why here we have two summation. If it is for two random variable, then two summation or two integrations are there. So x into y, f of xy dx dy. Next, expectation of g of xy, same is this, instead of xy, if we are x square into y, x into y square or x square y square, then at that time it is g of xy multiplied by f of xy. So summation for discrete and integration for continuous case. Next is, what is variance of x? So variance of x is the square of standard deviation, that is sigma square is equal to variance of x, and it is defined as expectation of x minus mu whole square. Just now I told you what is expectation of expectations definition. It is whatever the term in bracket, that term multiplied by given probability function. So same is the case here, that term multiplied by given probability function x minus mu whole square into f of x. So this summation for discrete and integration for continuous. So this is the definition for variance of x, it is x minus mu whole square into f of x. But if we solve this, a expectation of x minus mu whole square in this bracket, it become expectation of x square minus 2x into mu plus mu square. So it is equal to expectation of, if we separate this e over this bracket, it is equal to expectation of x square minus 2 times expectation of x multiplied by mu as it is, plus mu square multiplied by expectation of x. Okay, so this is equal to expectation of x square minus 2 times expectation of x is mu. Mu into mu is mu square plus mu square into expectation of 1. Expectation of 1 is 1, so it is 1. So minus 2 mu square plus mu square become minus mu square. And what is mu? Mu is nothing but expectation of x, so it is equal to minus of expectation of x whole square. So we get formula, and this is the standard formula which we are going to use for variance. It is expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square. Instead of using this, we are maximum times we are going to use this formula, expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square. So remember this formula for variance of x. And standard deviation is the positive square root of variance, that is sigma x, sigma square is equal to variance of x. So sigma becomes square root of variance of x. Positive square root we are considering. So standard deviation is equal to square root of variance of x. So remember all these formulae. On the basis of this formulae, we are going to solve some examples. So note down first some points. First point is, if we have expectation of c into x, where c is any constant, suppose c is equal to 2, so 2 multiplied by x is equal to 2 into expectation of x. Then expectation of 1, it is equal to 1. Expectation of x plus y equal to expectation of x plus expectation of y. If x and y are independent, then how to show expectation of xy? Expectation of xy can be written as expectation of x into expectation of y, or variance of x plus y is equal to variance of x plus variance of y. But these two conditions are there whenever x and y are independent. If it is dependent, we cannot write like this. So first example is, let x be the random variable giving number of heads in 3 tosses of a fair coin. Find expectation of x. So first example is expectation of x. But what is our experiment? Experiment is tossing, giving number of heads in 3 tosses of a fair coin. So this is our experiment, 3 tosses of a fair coin. If we toss a coin 3 times, then we get 3 HHH, HHT, HTH, THH, TTH, THT, HTT and TTT. So possible number of points are this. How many total number of points are there? Number of sample point in S is equal to 8 points are there. Now what is x? X is defined as random variable giving number of heads. Giving number of heads means x is defined as only it is related with heads, not with tail. So it may have, random variable may have 0 heads. Sometimes if we get t point, so we are not getting any head, means point is x value become 0. Then if we get one head, so we may get 1 head, we may get 2 head, we may get maximum 3 head. So this random variable is related with heads. So if we get TTT point, we get 0 heads. If we get HTH point or THT point or TT point, then we get 1 head. If we get HHT, HTH or THH point, then we may get 2 heads, and HHH is related with 3 heads. Now what is function f of x? F of x is equal to, if we get 0 head, 0 head means how many points are there in which it does not contain any head? Only 1 point. So 1 point out of which point? 8 points. So it is 1 by 8. Next, x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 means how many points are there? 1, 2 and 3. Out of 8 points, so it is 3 by 8. 2 heads are there. Total 3 points are there. So it is 3 divided by 8. And last is x is equal to 3. Only 1 point in which it contain all 3 heads. So it is 1 divided by 8. So this is the probability function and the random variable which we have obtained. So here if we add all probability, you must get probability function addition must be equals to 1. So let us check. 3 plus 3, 6, 6, 7, 8. 8 divided by 8, it is equal to 1. Means whatever we have find out, it is correct. Now first question is find out expectation of x. So first point is expectation of x. expectation of x. Which problem it is, discrete or continuous? Discrete means interval is given, here directly points are given 0 1 2 3. If some points are given, then at that time the case is a discrete case. If interval is given means 0 to 1 interval or 1 to 2 interval, then at that time it is a case of continuous part. So this is the problem of discrete case, means we are going to use formula summation. What is the term in bracket? X. So it is small x multiplied by given probability function. This is the definition. Now how many x we have? Summation means substituting first value, second value, third value. So first value of x is 0. What is its probability function? 1 by 8. Second value is 1 multiplied by 3 by 8. Third value is 2 multiplied by 3 by 8. Fourth value is 3 multiplied by 1 by 8. So it is equal to, first value is 0 plus 3 by 8 plus 6 by 8 plus 3 by 8. So how much it is? 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 6, it is 12 divided by 8. So this is equal to 3 by 2. So we obtained expectation of x value which is equal to 3 by 2. Now next point is find out expectation of 2x plus 4. So expectation of 2x plus 4, expectation of 2x plus 4, it is equal to. Now to find out this value, we can separate this part. So we can write it as expectation of 2 multiplied by x plus expectation of 4. Okay, now simplify it again. 2 constant we can take outside because we have studied one formula, expectation of c into x, it is c outside expectation of x. So we can take 2 outside, it is remaining is expectation of x. Similarly this is again constant, so 4 outside, remaining is expectation of 1. Now what is expectation of x? Just now we have find out, it is 2 times 3 divided by 2 plus 4 multiplied by expectation of 1 is 1. So this get cancelled, it is equal to 7. 3 plus 4. Next problem is find out variance of x. So variance of x is, variance of x formula is expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square. Just now I told you we always use this formula. So for this formula what we need? Expectation of x square. So to find out expectation of x square, it is equal to summation of, what is the term in bracket? X square. So x square multiplied by f of x. Our formula becomes summation of x square into f of x. Now first value of x is 0. So 0 square into 1 by 8 plus then 1 square multiplied by 3 by 8 plus 2 square multiplied by 3 by 8 plus next value is 3 square multiplied by 1 by 8. Simplify this. 0 square is 0 and 0 multiplied by 1 by 8 is 0. So 0 plus 3 by 8 plus this is 2 square. 2 square is 4. 4 into 3. 12. 12 by 8 plus 3 square is 9. 9 by 8. So it is equal to 9 plus 12, it is 21. 21 plus 3. 21 plus 3, 24 divided by 8. So it is equal to 3. So expectation of x square we obtained it as 3. Substitute in this variance formula. Variance of x is equal to expectation of x square, that is 3 square minus expectation of x whole square, which is 3 by 2 whole square. So it is equal to 9 minus 9 by 4. So it is 36 minus 9 divided by 4, which is equal to, so this is not 9, actually this is expectation of x square value is 3. So directly we need to substitute here expectation of x square, not square. So this is 3 minus 9 by 4. So 3 minus 9 by 4 means 12 minus 9 by 4. So it is equal to 3 by 4. Now variance of x is denoted by sigma square. So sigma square we obtained 3 by 4. What we need to find out next? Standard deviation. So standard deviation is square root of variance of x, which is denoted by sigma. So sigma is equal to square root of 3 by 4, which is equal to square root of 3 and square root of 4 is 2. So root 3 by 2 is the answer for this question. So is it clear? First point is the expectation of x means x into f of x. This we have separated. Then variance of x formula we have used that as expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square, and standard deviation is the square root of variance. So in this way we can find out such type of problems if it is the discrete case. If it is continuous case, we will use integration in this problem. So if you have any doubt related to this question, you can put your doubt in comment box. In next lecture, we will see some more examples on this basic expectation part. Thank you.